In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to permanently delete Messenger account. This helps limit social media dependence, declutter your digital life, and avoid unwanted messages or spam. To do this, simply head to Messenger. You want to head to Menu, and then select Settings. Here you will have to navigate onto the last option of Account Center. Here, under Account Settings, head to Personal Details. You want to tap onto the last option of Account Ownership and Control. Now head to Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account. Now make sure it's marked on deletion. By doing this, your Messenger together with your Facebook account will permanently be deleted. All media, including photos and videos, messages, and all your data will get deleted without the alternative to undo. You just have to tap on Continue to proceed. Well, that's how easy it is to permanently delete Messenger account. And if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.